Hi everyone, I'm Max. I'm one of the retail dietitians here at Nutrition for Longevity. Is there anything better than a cold treat on a hot summer day? I certainly don't think so. Unfortunately, ice cream can be pricey and may not even fit into your dietary habits. I wanted to share a delicious and low-cost alternative for when the summer heat gets you down. This blended banana ice cream is a super customizable recipe, but today we're going to be featuring it with some of our Nutrition for Longevity coffee. Let's get started.
To make this recipe, you'll need 2 frozen bananas cut into pieces for easy blending, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preference of non-dairy milk, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of brewed coffee. Start by adding your bananas, brewed coffee, and cocoa powder to the blender. We're holding off on our non-dairy milk for now because you don't want to add too much liquid because that might make our ice cream runny. Start blending your ice cream. If it's having trouble, add a splash of the non-dairy milk. You want it to look almost like a thick smoothie.
Once you've reached the desired consistency, pour into a bowl. And you can either enjoy this as a snack now or save it for later. With only a few minutes of work and maybe some waiting, we have a simple and delicious summer treat. Get creative with this recipe, switching out the coffee and the cocoa powder for whatever your favorite flavorings are. Bye everyone!